Start whenever.
Okay, cool. So hi, I'm Vanessa, one of the head CAs at Stanford's Code in Place, and I'm gonna be talking about Python Modulo today. So when you divide in regular math, there's sometimes a remainder in long division. So for example, 4 divided by 3, that would be 1 remainder 1. So that remainder is basically what the modulus is. So I'm just going to show an example of that. Let's say we're taking 7 and dividing it by 4. How many times does 4 go into 7? 1 time. So 1 times 4 is 4, and 7 minus 4 is 3. So that gives us 1 remainder 3. What this operator does is it would do this calculation. Let me go into a different color. So it would do this calculation and it would give us the remainder, which would be 3. So I can show you that. It's represented by a symbol that is the percent symbol. So 4 modulus 3, and that gives the remainder 1, as you can see over here. So how does this differ if you use a float versus an integer? So you already saw how the operator looks with integer. So let's switch it over to a float to show that. The result would also be a float, and you can even use this for division with a decimal. So how might people use modulus in real world problems? One popular way to use it is to see if a number is odd or even. And I can show you that as well. So if you do 4 modulus 2, the remainder is 0. So that is an even number. Something that I'd like to point out is that different programming languages deal differently with negatives and positives. So let's give an example here, 7 modulus 2. Let's say that the first number is negative. The result comes out positive. If both numbers are negative, the result comes out negative. And if the second number is negative, it also comes out negative. So this is what I've just shown is how Python does it. Different languages will do this differently. And there you go, that's the super basics of the modulus operator.